Hi! Oo.
Kilala kita, Jeff.
Ayan, ayan.
Ito ang magugustuhan mo.
Ano to?
Usarong-sarong pala to.
Ito yung mga taga-judge natin.
Parang mas okay pala to. Mas okay to.
Ang laki niyang baliw.
Siyempre, hihingi ka ng ibang ano.
Wala yata. Hey guys, so nandito po kami sa, ano tawag dito?
Pirate ship.
This na pag-decide namin, bigla na po kaming magra-rides. Nakita lang namin nagalaw kanina. Tara, tara.
Sigaw kasi guys.
Medyo matagal siya. Ilang minutes yan?
Yes. Mga 5 or 3 to 5. Wow.
Mabilis lang.
Yes.
So first time ko po magaganto. Ikaw.
Hello.
So, I've tried it so...
How many times? I've tried.
Freud. Kung feeling mo upset. Dali. Guys, na-try ko na siya. Like, wow.
Expectation.
Ay, wala. Na-try ko na siya. This is so basic. You know, guys, this is so nakakaiwan ng kaluluwa.
English.
Like, ganong feeling. Not so for her. Tama na. Let's go. Alright, guys. Before. Dapat nung ano. Before. Alam, ganyan din kami. After me, guys. So, yes, ayun. Ako yun. Ito yun.
Sobrang lala ng 5 guys.
Or, patita.
Uy, yan. Nasusunod na yun sa'yo. Iyak mo. Uy, pahinaan mo nga. Huwag kayong... Nasusunod pa tayo. Pahina ko.
Our situation. Magliliyab yan.
Hindi ko yung chicken ko.
Kunin mo na! Ito siya masusunod na.
Timer ko to. 1, 2, tahimik lang to siya. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, it is day na and alis kami ngayon because it is Father's Day and I just wanted to share this 2 combos. Ito yung combo lippy ko. Jelly or jelly lip tint nila. This is in the shade Coquette. Ito yung nilalagay ko. And ito yung applicator niya. Naka-bend. And ngayon ko lang siya ulit itatry kasi nung unang try ko is super nude niya. So, itatry ko siya ulit. Tungan ko lang siya na itong bullet lipstick nila in the shade Muse. Pang top lang. daw. Second batch.
Clear nights when all the haze gets washed away. Smooth flights to Cabinet's Marvel escape. From the back to the front, from the ground, going up and feel something. Like the sky, the light, let it shine to my heart, just to say something. Stay, blackberry days, blooms on the horizon. Way under the rays, watch the world brighten. All these things are given to us, all these shine like gold in the dust. Stay, blackberry days, blooms on the horizon. Eyes up, while my dreams fly back to space. Feet down, 2 cups of black, my sweet escape. From the back to the front, from the ground, going up and feel something. Like the sky with the light, let it shine to blooms on the horizon. Way under the rays, watch the world brighten.
Hey guys, so it is June 29 and it is currently 6:01 AM and nandito kami ngayon sa Parkal kasi magra-running kami yung Ashana and ROX or Roxy na collab. So, papunta na kami and late na kami pero 5:30 yun nagsa-start.
Serve signages and keep the place clean by showing your
Every golden sunrise breaking through the leaves. Songbirds in the morning, an ancient melody. These are the gifts we're given that make life worth living. Never lose the wonder written in your soul.
Ang bilis ko na pero bagal ko.
Shaking in your bones.
After 30 minutes,
Lead you home. Songbirds in the morning, an ancient melody. These are the gifts we wouldn't lie to you. Doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck.
laro pa din.
Heyo, update. Look at our view. Nagper-perform Maki, Bini. Sino ba magper-perform?
Ewan ko, Horizon?
Tsaka yung Sexo. Sino yan? 4 lang.
5. Si Juan Carlos.
Okay.
So, nag-wait lang kami sa Beanies. And we have Jamba Juice.
Waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
I want to go to the soccer.
Hey guys, it is 6:21 a.m. We're on our way sa Parga again for run day. So I just want to share, I am using this Strava app. Guys, is natitrace niya yung average pace, time, and kilometers mo. Ayan, pwede siyang run, walk, bike, and all that stuff. Na-record niya yung run ko. So yeah. Also, if you guys started running, you can use this. Ano? Andyan na sila! Asa vlog?
Welcome everyone to the Lord and sana ipabot.
I've been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace I can find, instead of always being on the grind. Caught in a bubbling moment, I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah, hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. I'm trying to find your way in. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the chains. I won't walk away. Promise I'll stay.
Hi guys! Narinig ako.
Wait lang, alis ka dito si Milo na.
Say hi! Say hi! Say hi!
Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog.
Japanese cousin.
a little bit